The Daily Code Snippet. Now that we understand that CSS is seeing all the elements on our page as if they each have an invisible box around them, we can now start to learn how to control those boxes. What are some ways that we can control these boxes with CSS? Here are some examples. Adjust the dimensions, create borders, set margins and padding, show and hide boxes, position the boxes in the browser. So let's first talk about how to adjust the dimensions by setting the width and the height of the box. A box is sized just to its contents by default. The dimensions can be specified in pixels, percentages, or ems. We will discuss these more in depth in another video. For now, just understand that pixels allow for more accuracy by setting an exact width or height like 300 pixels by 200 pixels. However, percentages and ems allow for more flexible design that is important for a responsive layout. When using percentages, the size of the box is relative to the size of the browser window or its containing element. When using ems, the size of the box is based on the size of the text within it. In this code, an element we have identified as our logo using an ID attribute will be sized to a width of 300 pixels and a height of 200 pixels. We can also set the minimum and maximum width and height of elements using these properties: min width, min height, max height. These properties specify the smallest size and the largest size of a box that can be displayed. These are helpful properties to ensure the contents is legible, especially on smaller screens. Presented by Designers Learn Code.